All right, we're gonna cruise over here. Fresh water, fresh horses. This is the final one, so this is like an offshoot. I've gone here for the ice fishing. You guys saw that one, same area. So it's the RV St. Paul RV show, last video. So the next one will be the sportsman show ones, hopefully. But you get to that, and then the boat show. So it's over this like all kind of like a bells and whistle kind of place. There are some over here. I don't think Scamp is here. You can go fishing over there. So pop one here. Oh. Kind of a different one. There doesn't have any price on it, but not bad. Kind of a different one. So, what on here? I'm breaking my neck. Oh. Does it say on there or not? 18,000. Not bad. This one's 60. Walkabout. So it's got a little one out here. Not bad at all. Pleasureland. And you walk into your header. Oh, Jesus. Can't tell. Someone's in there, so I don't want to go in there. But you get my point. You can kind of see it. iMachine. This is the you wanted. She's selling already a duplicate. So this one's sold. Not bad. At least they don't have the. Last year they had some ugly color schemes, real ugly. But anyways, so over here. Look at this. Pleasureland. These are a waste of money. I wouldn't buy one of those. Can't even move in them. Yeah, nothing special. I'm gonna rent that thing. I don't think so. 35,000. Huh. Soft enclosed cabinets. Uh-huh. Anyways, not bad. I kind of like this one. I like the layout. I like it. Nice. Not bad at all. Nice big bed, nice roomy. Nice. But it's a show special, 35 grand. Not bad. There's no way, man. There's no room in those suckers at all. No, thank you. So, not bad, 35. Excuse me real quick. This is 36,000. I'm getting over my sore knee. This is kind of tight. See, I like the other one. It's more open. This one is for 36 grand now. You can shower in the shower, but I like that other one. We were just in over there. More open. This one's more tight. So no, thank you. One of you saw was much. I like that one better. More room in that one.
This one here?
This one. That one over there is better because more. In my mind, there's more room. It's same kind of. Well, I'd buy that one behind us. More room.
This one's got that cool window in the front.
Well, I understand that cool window is a little different than space to move around in. If you go in that one and you come in here, you know what I'm talking about. This one, and it's a little cheaper. I'd buy this one before I'd buy that one because it's just more room. When you get in, you know what I'm talking about. In my mind, I get it smaller, but it's a little bigger, but more room. That's the one I'd buy. Nice. All right. Okay. At least you don't have the wonky colors like last year. I admonished one of you guys last year. I said it was just some wonky, ugly colors. It was just weird. But I like it. I like the open. For I like it. And a lot of the ones have the bunk beds. I'd take them out and make them a storage room. That's my option. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. I would sell them like that, so you can have that storage room to put your bike and golf clubs in there instead of on the back. If I had bought one, I want them gone. No problem. That's the option you should try to sell. Storage room, pull the bunks, and put a door.
It makes sense, yeah.
You know, for your golf clubs and for right. That's an option you give them when they're looking at it. Say, hey, we can take this out for you. You know, because whatever. All right, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Happy.
No problem, yeah.
Make some sales, okay?
Yep.
All right. You too. 22 grand. Not bad. This is nice. There's a cowboy one right here. Heck yeah. I can kind of. There's a TV. You can lay in bed, watch inappropriate behaviors, whatever. So yeah. All right. Ouch. That hurt. Ow. The Avenger. 25 grand. Let's see. It's worth it. This is a nice one. See, this is open. I like this one. I like it. Very open. The bed. I'd buy it. I like it. TV's right there. You shower in the shower. Perfect. Sold. Like the bed. I just like the open room. Don't get any slide outs either. Don't get slide outs. Just do it basic. Listen to Uncle Cowboy. Bitches. Alright. This is that truck we were in before. It's not gonna. Not this cowboy. No way. Hello. It's 26,000. I like it. Very, very nice. See, another one open. Again, storage. Maybe take out the top. I don't know. Whatever, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Could probably still use as your storage, I guess. Want it? You can shower in the shower, Penn State, right? Not bad. It's like crooked already. Looks crooked. Doesn't that look crooked to you? Oh, there you go. Sorry. I knew it did. All right. Oh, shit. Ouch. 37. I don't need to go all of them. You get my point. 33. Grand Design. Not bad. The grill over there. Not bad. Same kind of layout as you can kind of see before. No wonky, ugly colors.
What I hear is what I see. And then I do test for 40 years.
All right. So I kind of know this. I kind of came back this way. So we'll go over here. They can go fishing right here. There they go. They're going fishing. So, all right, let's go over here. You get kind of an idea of they got stuff over here as well. They're selling stuff left and right. You can tell. You got the small ones that I'm not going to get on. But yeah, selling these bad boys over here. Got the bed stuff. No way am I going to buy those. I better be all-wheel drive or I'm not getting it. A lot of weight to pull around. No chance. Those out Hilltop Motorhomes. No way. All right. It's $250,000. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. No way. Not a chance. Not a chance. You get it? No way. Not worth it. You could buy yourself a pickup truck and pull behind for that. No way. Not a chance. So, I'm not looking at any of those things. They're a waste of good suffering. I think we got some boats over here too as well. You can see all kinds of. We'll go over here. We'll give you a pretty boat over here. Here we go. These are the party barges. Here we go. I'm gonna go to the boat show. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the little adventures. The RV show. They have another one, I think, also over at Minneapolis. So, here it is, the big party barge. Oh my God. Ooh. I don't know about that. There it is. I'm not getting up on that thing, no way. That's not safe. No. No way. Anyways. Oh my goodness. So you got your golf carts over here too as well. You got your jackets and stuff. So your golf carts. And there you go. 7 grand. All kinds of fun stuff. No. You can have it. Nice. Likey. 58 bucks. Not bad. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the little adventure of all the stuff. I know Sue Ellen likes pens. Get her one. Give me some candy. What's this? Magnet. Steal as much as I can. What the hell? So, Heart Ranch. But, yeah, there it is. Camp Resort, 1984. Nice. So, we're the destination vacation. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I had the time of my life. So, stuff over here. Other stuff. They're selling stuff over here too as well. Hilltop. All kinds of fun stuff. Cups and stuff. There it is. So, all right, guys. There's your camper. All right.